Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to explain the dictionary. In my previous videos, I explained about the list, set, and the tuple. Now it's time for dictionary. The dictionary is very important. You have to concentrate more clearly. Generally, list is represented by the square brackets, and the tuple is represented by the normal brackets, and the set is represented by the curly brackets. But dictionary is also represented by the curly brackets, but we'll be using key value pairs. How to use the key value pairs in the curly brackets, I will show you practically so that you will understand more clearly about the dictionary. Understand. Look at here very carefully. Let's take a variable name as my dic equals to, we have to represent the dictionary in the form of a curly brackets. Okay, now what we have to write in this curly brackets, we have to write key and the colon and value. So the data should be in this format: the key, colon, and the value. Key value pairs. We'll say the combination of key and the values are nothing but the key value pairs. Okay, let's consider the student and their marks. Okay, let's write the student names like city. This is a key and colon, and we'll be writing some marks. Let's take 95. Next, we have to mention here comma. If you want to use next value or next item, we have to use a comma, and we can use in this way also. Yeah. Now, another name let's consider, which is Hari, and same colon we have to use here, and marks, which is 40. Same, if you want to use the next item, we have to use a comma and go to the next. Then next name will take as John. Okay, he scored, let's consider, which is 75. Like this we can use some items. Yeah, look at here. If we try to print this thing, it is coming in the form of a dictionary format. This is a dictionary format where we have a key and the values. This things which is C, Hari, John, and Pooja are the key, and this 95, 40, 75, 88 are the values of that key. Okay, this is the representation of dictionary. Okay, for the last item, no need to mention the comma. Okay, in the list, tuple and the set will be storing the multiple items in the single variable, but here we'll be storing the values, data values, in the form of a key value pairs in this format: key and their value. Okay, in the curly brackets. Okay, now we understood how to represent the dictionary. So what are the properties in this? Let's see. So dictionary is a ordered. Ordered means it follows the insertion order. Where set does not follow the insertion order, but dictionary will follow the insertion order. See how the insertion order is there. The output is also in that format only. Look at here, Siri 95 and the Hari 40. So it will follow the insertion order. How the insertion order is there, the output also will be shown in the form of same insertion order. Next, changeable. We can change the value. We can modify or add or remove that thing we can use. And do not allow the duplicates. Let's see this thing also. It will not allow the duplicates. Let's consider one more. Same string. Look at here. Let's consider the same date of the puja, which is 88 and 88. This is the duplicate values, duplicate items. Let's consider and let's see. See, we are getting the duplicate values. But look at here now. When we want to change here to 989, now what will happen? See, actually we are getting the duplicate values also, but normally the dictionary will not allow the duplicate. We will try with the other example. Yeah, let's consider this example, which is yeah, we'll change the year to some in this way. Now let's see what will happen. Now look at here. We are getting only one amount of data which is updated. We are not getting the two items. We are getting the updated item only. Okay, this is the thing. Yeah, the values in the dictionary items can be of any data type. Not only we can use the integer or the string or the boolean, we can use any data type. We can use any type of a data, which it may be the string or the type or boolean, or it may be the string format or the float or decimal, anything we can take. Okay, we have no restriction to take that limited types of data. We can take any type of data. Okay, no restriction for that. Look at here, this example we can use in this way also. In the one line also we can mention, yeah, it's a combination of the name, which is a string, and which is the integer, and which is the decimal number, which is a float, or we can say, yeah. See, look at here, we are getting, okay, we can use any type of a data also in the single dictionary. In the single dictionary we can use the multiple types of data items. Okay, similarly in the dictionary also we have len, type, deck constructor, how we use in the list and tuple and the set. In the dictionary also we have to use this thing. Okay, now let's see how to use practically. Yeah, look at here, the length of this thing is 4. So the key and the value, it will be considering as 1 unit. 1 unit is the combination of the key and the value. They are not separate. The key and the value are the combination of 1 unit, one entity, one element. So this is the one entity and this is another entity, and this is one more and this is one more. We have 4 entities, 4 items, so the length is 4. Or we can use explicitly the type also to know which type of it is, which type. It's like a set or dictionary or any type, so it will be showing the which type of representation is this. Like it is dictionary, so it's showing like class deck. If you use the square brackets, it shows a class list. Depending upon the representation, it will be showing which type of it is. Okay, we can also retrieve the particular value by using the key. Look at here, we are getting the value of the name. What is the value of the name? Which is Siri. So by using the key as index, we can retrieve the value. Normally in the list and the set and the tuple will be using the index value to retrieve the particular value. But in the dictionary, to retrieve the particular specific value, we have to mention the key name. If we mention the key name, the specific key name value will be printed over here like this. If we mention this name, the value of the name will be printed over here in this way. We can use this key name as an index. Okay, which I said before only, it follows the insertion order. Dictionary follows the insertion order after the 3.7 version. Before 3.7 version, the dictionary is not unordered. The dictionary is unordered. But after 3.7 version only, dictionary has a ordered facility, ordered property. Okay, which I said before only, dictionary will not allow the duplicate values. Here we used address 2 times, address key 2 times, but the value is different. But if we retrieve, if we want to know the address, what is the stored address, means it will be showing the Pune only, the latest value only it will be going to print. So means the key values are unique, means the key values cannot be duplicated. The key values are unique. You have to remember this thing. But when we try to use duplicate values, it will be printing as usually. Duplicate values are allowed, but duplicate keys are not allowed. Keys should be unique. Okay, this thing you have to remember in the mind. Not only the string or boolean or any data type, we can even use the list also. We can use the list, set, or the tuple in the dictionary. In this way we can even use the list type also, so we will get the output in this format only, so we'll not get any type of an error. Okay, now let's see how to use the deck constructor. We have to use like explicitly deck, and the normal braces, not the curly brackets. Okay, yeah, okay, we can use in this way also. So we have to mention explicitly deck keyword and the normal braces, or we can use the flower brackets. But what the data inside, it should be equals to, not the colon. You should have some difference between the how to represent normally the dictionary by using the deck constructor. So the both are, the representation of both is very different. You have to see each and every tiny points also. So we have to use this equals to, not the colon. For the normal representation, I will show you. Look at here. This is the normal representation of dictionary, whereas this is the by using the deck constructor. So you have to see the what is the difference over here. Here we have to use this norm curly brackets. Here we have to use explicitly deck and the normal brackets. And here we have to use the colon. Here we have to use the equals to. Okay, this both representations are different. We can use in this format or in this format. Will not get any type of an error. We can use either any one. Okay, yeah. You can access the items of the dictionary by referring to its key name. So we have to use the key name, not the index value. To know, to retrieve the value, we have to mention, we have to refer the key name inside the square brackets. Inside the square brackets, we have to mention the key name so that we'll get the value of that key. And we have some more important methods which you have to use in the dictionary, which is a get, key, values, and the items. Let's see one by one. In this way we can use the get method. So this is the normal representation of the dictionary where we want to get the age. So if we use this get and the age, we'll get the age value, which is 36. So 36 will be going to print. In this way we can use the get method. And one more thing, we have keys. What keys will be written? It will be returning all the keys in the dictionary. So we have this method also. Yeah, where it will be printing all the keys which are there here, like name is a key, age is a key, country is a key. The names of this dictionary will be going to print by using the dot keys. Look at here. This is the original dictionary. Now if we want to add color to the value is white. The key name is color and the value of the key is white. If you want to add this key value pair to the existing dictionary, which is this, we have to use in this way. We have to mention the key name in the square brackets and equals to the value which we want to mention for this particular key. And if we want to print this, we are getting this thing also, this color also included in this old dictionary. In this way we can represent to add the particular key value pairs, key value items. But look at here, this color will be added at the end of the items. It will be added at the end of the items. It will not add at the between, it will be adding at the end. Okay, whatever we are adding to the dictionary, it will be adding at the end. Similarly, we can even retrieve the values also. Here we retrieve the keys to. Similarly, we can retrieve the values also. Now the values will be printed over here. Look at here. Now the values are printed in this way. These are the values. So if you want to retrieve the keys, we can use dot keys. If you want to retrieve only the values, we can use dot values. Or if you want to modify in this way, I suppose we are adding the color and white also to the existing this thing. The value is this. This is the key. If you use dot values, this white will be printed. So look at here. But at the end of the item. Now predict the output, what will be coming. So initially in the dictionary, in the existing dictionary, we have color pink. Now we are updating that color value to the white. Now what will be the output? The pink will be override on the white. So the output will be white. Pink will not come. So in the before updating we got pink, but after updating the pink will be override to the white. Okay. Similarly, we can use this
dot items also to retrieve the whole items like a key and the value also specifically. Look at here, even the key and the corresponding value is also printed over here. Look at it, this thing color pink. Before updating in this way, before updating the color, as usually color and pink will be printed over here. After updating the color to the white, the pink will be override to the white, but the color will be remains same. So the key should be unique. We can change the values, but key should be unique. In this way we can represent, like color is white, so in this way we can use this dot items also. I think till now you understood about the dictionary. You have to remember that dictionary should be represented in the curly brackets with the key value paste. It is order, it follows insertion order, and it will not allow the duplicates for the key. Key is a unique value. We cannot allow the duplicates. Next, we can use any type of a data. Even we can use a list also, set also, tuple also in this. These are some methods which is commonly we can use, and these are the important methods which you have to remember. We can use a get, key, value, item also to retrieve the particular thing. If you want to retrieve only the key, we can use dot keys. If you want to retrieve only the values, we can use dot values. If you want to retrieve the both key and values, we can use this item also. To retrieve the particular value of the key, we can use a get. So in this way we can use the dictionary. We have some more methods which will be learning in the next video. As of now, thanks for watching. Let's meet in next video.